I've installed a air filter and exhaust on the Himalayan, and I was going to install a Fuel X, but I failed. So I sent it into a workshop, and then they said it can't go on this bike because it's carburetor. So now we've got too much airflow, so we've got to adjust the carburetor. First up, I'm going to put the baffle in. Someone on Facebook said there's too much airflow and needs a bit of back pressure, so I'm gonna install the baffle now and adjust the carburetor and see how we're looking. That was handy. You just slide it in and there's one bolt with an Allen key. Right, so just let the bike warm up a little bit. Then I'm gonna adjust the carburetor, and I don't have a fucking idea what I'm at. So let's screw it and see how we go, see what happens. Okay. I think I gotta screw this. Right, that's the mess. So that's where it was. That's 3 turns. I suppose I'll take it for a spin and see if it feels any different. Alright, so just gonna test out, see how it feels. It feels pretty good so far. I've brought a screwdriver with me so I can adjust it. Still got a squeaky back brake. Struggles a little bit. First gear felt a bit laggy there. Might adjust it a little bit. I've gone 2 turns extra. I don't know, is that a lot? I don't know if that's a lot. I'll just leave it at 1. There's a lot of backfire now. I don't know if I've opened it up more or closed it. The side stand has an alarm on it. It's so annoying. So I'm going to go back to where it was. And it'll go half. Yeah, it'll go half. A bit more than what it was. Is this the right way to do this? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if there's an easier way, or if 1 turn is 1 turn classed as a lot. It's still been a bit laggy at first. Not as bad with the backfires though. Figure out which way is which. I don't know if I'm opening or closing it. You would think right would be tight. But yeah, I don't know. That alarm's so annoying. gone 4 back from where I was. Yeah, first gear is most noticeable with a lag. Oh, that feels good. It's just first gear, I think. That's good. I think that's spot on. Feels like it pulls well now all through first gear. I'll be interested to see if Liz notices a difference. It does feel more responsive. Which is good. Overall, it's nice to ride, really. The other day when I got the tyre put on it, it was very chuggy, so it's pretty smooth now, so that's, hopefully that's sorted. It has made it a nicer bike to ride. Like low speed, like roundabouts and stuff, used to be very sort of uncomfortable, you know, not that smooth, not a nice situation to be in, but now it's pretty good. With that new back tyre on as well, oh, great. Alright, I might just turn it back a touch. It feels pretty good, I just don't want too much fuel in there. I'll just leave it there. And that should be mint. Hopefully the bike doesn't shit itself now. It's a bit laggy. I'm gonna put it back to where it was. Tap in the shade. Get my screwdriver out, the dodgy fucker. Alright, now hopefully that's sweet. It's dusty. Doesn't get out much, still Himalayan. I'm gonna pull out in front of them. Alright, well I'm going to head home now. I'm going to send this bike to Sydney and then ride down to Tasmania, so stay tuned for that. We've got a lane filter. Good sign when they're in front of you and not behind you. So yeah, Tasmania, I can't wait. It's gonna be unreal. Even riding from Sydney to Melbourne will be pretty nice. Hopefully it's decent weather. It shouldn't be too hot. Hopefully it's not too wet. Oh yeah, well, let's see what we get. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Where did the cops go? Oh yeah, she's feeling good. Much better than what it was. really happy now. Alright, peace out.